So, students, Rojo says good evening. I am also saying good evening. Online students, am I audible to you? Okay. So let's move to the further. Previously, already we had a discussion related to for loop, for loop concept explained, while loop concept also and how the for loop will execute, how the for loop operations will do, and then we already did with while loop also, while loop syntax also we discussed it, and majority of the times we did some examples on that area. Okay, let us move to the further. One more concept, some more examples I want to do it. Some different examples I want to start in today. Right down, open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a, are you new student, ma? Are you offline or online? Online. So yesterday what I taught, ma? No, no. Yesterday you attended a class. Online, offline? తెలుగు వచ్చా మీకు? నిన్న మీరు క్లాస్ అటెండ్ అయ్యారా? ఆన్లైన్లో అటెండ్ అవ్వాలా? ఆఫ్లైన్లో? డే బిఫోర్ ఎస్టర్డే? ఆన్లైనా ఆఫ్లైనా? Online. So do you remember what I taught in last day before yesterday? Not remembering. So why you came offline today? Simply. Should. So now I will move to the further. Must be good in the what is going on daily. You must remember. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Which will accept. Which will accept. Which will accept a number. Which will accept a number. Which will accept a number in the bracket integer. Which will accept a number in the bracket integer. And find sum of its digits. Find the sum of its digits. Find the sum of its digits. Find the sum of its digits. Important. So let us go to the PyCharm here. So first of all, did you understand that logic, students? Given number, look at given number is n is something like 4, 5, 7, 8. I want to find sum of what digits? Sum of digits of given number. Given number. Sum of digits of given number is equal to, I need to write 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8. This is the data. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7 is called what? 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. So I need to print 24. Behind our 24, this is a data. This is a data. Another example, if you want. Another example, if you want. What is this now? Given number 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Now, I am saying sum of the digits I need to go for. Not only 4 digits, you can take one more number also. Sum of the digits of the given number. What is that? Is equal to, I must get it what? 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 3. How much? Come on. 18. 18 correct enough? So 8 plus 2, 10, 10. So when I believe it's a very danger. So this is an output. This is an output I need to go for it. So this is a code I need to write it. How do you write the code? Now I'm going to start. So let's start the PyCharm. Very, very simple. Two logics I will tell you here. Two logics I will tell. Both the logics you need to get it. Because the more logics you learn, more intelligent you will become. Let me close my project. close this project, go to the place. Here 6 p.m. loops. There I will have, these are the different logics we have written in the last class. And today I will go for what? Digit sum is my program now. Digits sum. I'm going to write it. Digits sum example1.py. Digit sum example1.py. Here I am writing program for finding sum of digits of what? Given number. Sum of digits of given number. So logic number one I am going to talk. First, let me tell you the difficult logic. Then I'll go for further. So here, take a number. So NUM is equal to int of what? Input of enter a number. Enter a number. For finding digits sum. For finding what? Digits sum. So I'm going to get it, NUM. So that number, if NUM less than or equal to what? 0, and we'll say what now? What will say? Invalid input is invalid input. Dot format of what? NUM. NUM. So I'll write it now next else. There I need to write the logic for the given number. If you carefully look at, if you look into that, this process you take it, students, to take care. First you take this concept, this logic analysis I'm going to start with. Logic number one I'm going to talk. Logic number one. So what is this logic number one? Given number is called what? 4, 5, 7, 8. First I will take what? 8 I will take it. 8. 8 I will pick up. That 8 plus 0 plus what? 8 is equal to what is going to become 8. That means initial sum I'm going to take it as what? 0. Because I'm going to go on taking what? Digits sum. So S is equal to 0. 0 plus 8 is called 8, which I'll keep it in the sum. S plus 8 is coming. When the number 8 is coming, what is left out in the number? 457 is left out. Next I will take which number? 7 I will take it. That number digit I will add to the previous digit. Next what number will left out? 45. I will take 5. 5. Digit 5 I will take. That also will get it what? Next left out of 4. I will take next 4. After that no more number is existing. It leads to 0. So how do you do this process? So I'm going to do this process how? First step you see 4, 5, 7, 8. I want to get the number 8. Any logic? Any logic? I will apply. 10. I will say percentage of 10. During the percentage time I said. So of what? 457. 457. It is going to give you what? 4570. What is the answer now? 8. So I will take the 8. So I'm getting the digit or not? This is called a digit. What is my number here? So this will be obtained by using what? Double slash. This will be obtained by using what? Percent. So in the first iteration, what I got? Digit I got it. Left out number I got it. Next stage, what I will do? 457, which is greater than 0. I will take again what? 10. What is the here? 45. What is the answer now? 450. What is the value coming? 7. What is the 7 is called? Remainder. This digit I will add to the previous digit. And this 45 is obtained by double slash. And this 7 is obtained by using what? Percentage. There's a next stage. 45 I am taking next. Again I will repeat. 45 greater than 0. And 4. What is the answer now? 40. And 5 is coming. This will be obtained by percent. This will be obtained by what? Double slash. Next 4 is coming. 4 of what I am writing? 10. 10, 0, 0 I am writing 0. And what is an answer? 4. 4 is obtained by what? Percent. And this 0 left out. I'll stop my logic. So 4 digits are there 4 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time. 5 things. 5 times I will do the percentage slash like that I will do. So I'm going to write the logic now. Look at the students. All the students try to listen. Don't write the code and post in the chat box. Try to follow carefully. Okay, no award is given when you write the post the code in the chat box, and try to follow me carefully. Okay, now. So try to follow carefully. So all of you, after I explaining the logic, try to listen the class. Now I'm going to take it. S is equal to what now? 0. There I'm going to write it. While NUM greater than what? 0. Here I'm writing. What I should get it? Digit is equal to NUM percent of what? 10. NUM percent of 10. Because of the number, I said 4578 of what I'm saying? 10. And 457 is called what? 4570. What the value coming here? 8. That 8 will be there in the digit. That 8 will be there in the digit. So that I will add to whom? S is equal to S plus what? Digit. Digit. What is the value of S already? 0. 0 plus 8 is called what? 8. Next. When I took it 4578, as I am saying that 10, 457, and you are getting 4570, and 8 is getting, and I need to get this value. I need to apply what? A double slash. How do you write it? NUM is equal to NUM double slash what? 10. I got what? 457. Going back. What is that now? 457 greater than what? 0. True. 457 percentage 10. 7. Already explained. Be careful. What is this now? S value already. 8 plus 7. Come on. 15. Next num slash what? 10. How much is that? 45 by what? 45. 45. 457 slash 10 is called what? 45. 45 greater than 0. True. 45 percentage 10. 5. Already it is called what? 15. 15 plus 5. 20. 45 slash 10. 4. Go back. 4 greater than 0. True. Percentage 10. 4. Already what? 20. 20 plus 4. 24. 4 per slash 10. 0. 0 greater than 0. False. It is coming out of that. Here I am writing what else? Here I am writing print sum of digits is equal to comma. I will write what? Yes. Try to run it. Try to run it now. Go to this 4, 5, 7, 8. I'm getting 24 or not? Sum of the digits is equal to. You say next is called what? 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. No problem. You can count all of them. You can write here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, I'm just saying all the numbers of which are added here. This is called logic number 1. Clear up? Logic number 2. I'm going to take it. Logic number 2. This is what I'm going to take. Logic number 2. Here I'm going to take it. Logic number 2. What is the logic number 2 says? Let me carry this. Let me carry this. Here, logic digit example 2.p1. What should I do? Logic number 2. Very simple. So take the data. This I took it in the form of what? Integer. Now take the data in the form of what? String only you take it. String. NUM is equal to input of enter. What is this now? Enter. I will carry this. A number to find its enter a number to find its like this. Enter a number for finding digits sum. I got the number. So I'm writing num is equal to 4578. I got it. What is the type of this now? What is the type of this now? STR. Now from STR, I want to get the data. How do I get the data from STR? For S is equal to 0, I'm writing. For CH in where? NUM. For CH in where? NUM. NUM is a number, but it is what? Number only there inside. There I am writing. Just try to print CH. CH you print. These digits will print one by one. You just observe it. Enter a number 4578. Am I getting that individual digits or not? That individual digit I am going to add to what? S. What is the type of that you see first of all? One more time. Type of what here? CH. Type of CH. Try to run it. You are getting 4578. You see, these are all called STR. You cannot add to the numerical value. You cannot add S is equal to S plus CH. Error will come. Type error will come. It is going to give you error. 4578, you are getting type error. So I should convert into which type? Into type. Into type. I am converting the digit value into which type? Into type. That's all. Go to else spot. Now I am writing print of what is this now? Digits sum. Digits sum is equal to comma what? Yes. Simplified logic. 4, 5, 4, 5, 7, 8. Got what? 24. This is another logic. Not only this, you can run. You can say, again you run it. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. So you got the digit like this. Are you able to follow? Simple. So this is called logic number 1. This is called logic number 2. I hope you are following this. So this is the most important. See students, generally students will do what? Completing the courses. 11 o'clock one parent came. He is learning all the courses which are there in the Ameripet from last 2 years onwards. Not even getting one job. C language over, C++ over, Java is over, .NET over, everything over. And he don't know anything. He is having this much one along with the parent only brought it. By seeing the parent, I felt very much disappointed. This many books, notebooks, total theory, no coding. How you get the job? No programming logic, no logic development. So you need to practice on the logics. Then only you will get the job. Otherwise, jobs will not come. As on today, coding is compulsory. Then only you will get the job. Only theory if you learn, while loop, how it works, for loop, how it works, nothing will happen. And what that student has written in the course level, I have seen Java notes. He has written while loop with a sketch pens, diagram with a sketch pens, red ink, green ink, so many inks. In C language, still written more. Total red ink, green ink, everything written. Total theory, not even coding is available. Then how he can get the job? Never. And finally, you want to learn Python also. Red ink, green ink, I said don't write here. You try to do coding, he said. So that's why, sir, I came to this place. So he got from some friend's reference or something. So he realized that thing after 2 years. He realized that after 2 years, all courses completed, he realized only theory is there, no coding is all. He realized 2 years it has taken. 2 years damage is happened or not? That's why coding is important. So by joining course in Ameripet market or some Hyderabad online portal, learning some theory, these are all waste of time. You need to write the coding. Open the notes now. Two logics I said, practice these two logics well. Students in online, did you understand this entire thing? Did you understand this example? Okay. Let us move to the further. Let us write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will which will accept any value, which will accept any value, which will accept any value and display its reversed value and display its reversed value. Display its reversed value. Display its reversed value. Are you able to follow? What is the reversed value meaning is? Here two things are there. Two things are there. What is this now? I am writing here something like this. Here, try to get it. So given number, what is this now? Some 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the reversed number? You need to get it. Reversed number is equal to what? 6, 5, 4, 3. 4, 3. This is one thing. One more thing is called what? Given value. Given value. I'm taking something like, given value. I'm writing Python here. Python. I need to get what? Reversed value. Reversed value. What is the reversed value here? NOHTYP. This is the one. You need to get it. And it is a dead easy. And if they ask you, this also I want to tell you two logics. And one logic is very complicated. One logic is very simple that you already know in my class. Okay. One logic I will tell you. Later I'll go for second logic also I'll tell you. When I say the second logic, third logic like that, don't feel difficulty. You welcome it to improve your skill set. If I don't tell these multiple logics, you will not become intelligent. By learning multiple logics, you will become intelligent or not. That is what is required. So I'm going to write it. Reversed value. So value reverse. So my code is called what? Value reverse. Value reverse example 1.py. Value reverse example 1.py. There I am writing program for obtaining reverse of given number. Reverse of a given value. Reverse of a given value. Very, very easy. Look at students. Value is equal to input of what? Enter any value. Enter any value. Okay, that you done. What is the reversed value? Simply reversed value. Reversed value is equal to what should I do? Value colon what? -1. Here this colon -1 is called extended slicing we can call. Extended slicing technique we can call. Actually slicing concept, extended slicing we can call. What should I do now? I am printing original value. I am writing original value. I will write it. Comma what? Value I am saying. Next is called what reversed value. Reversed value is equal to what I am saying? Reversed value I am saying. Try to run it. It's very easy. That you already done in my class. 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it what? Reversed value. Original and then reversed value. You try to run it here. Python I am saying. And Python is going to be something like this. It is a dead easy for you, not a difficult. So 4, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2. You are getting something like that reversed thing. Now you can go to 1, 2, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Such type of number is called palindrome. This example I already said in the ternary operator. Remember? Not remembering. So I think you are not remembering. Remember? Yes. This is dead easy, not a difficult. This is dead easy, not a difficult. But my question is what? Without using extended slicing, you write the code for it. Without using extended slicing, write the code for it. How do you write it? That is the concept. Without using extended slicing. Extended slicing. This is what is the code. See, by explaining while loop 1 or 2 examples, while loop is over, 1 or 2 example for loop is over, that will become nothing in your career. If I do these many examples, if you practice and come, then you will go for good in stage in the subject. If I don't explain coding, if you don't practice it, problems will come. So let's go to the next logic. This is comes under logic number 1, which is a easy for you. Now I am going to use it with, this is called with. I think this is with what logic? Extended logic. With by using extended logic. Same thing I will go for it if you follow me. Don't feel difficulty because I'm explaining logic also for you. Go to the place. Here I am taking. There I am writing 2.py. 2.py. Go to that. Carry the question now. Carry the question now. There I am trying to take it. Look at this is without using what? Extended slicing. 2.py. 2.py. Any logic? Any logic? I'll get it. Same. This value I will get it. This I will get it. Who's this? So Nikesh, blunder. Nikesh is a blunder. That is called what? Swapping. Swapping. Swapping is different from reversing. And by seeing that, I'm getting full tension. What Nikesh will do by going to interview. Now I will move to the further. Now all of you listen close, listen very carefully without expressing your old knowledge. Because if you express your old knowledge, if it is something going wrong, I must feel it. I must feel because I'm little sensitive. Don't try to disturb me. Now let us go to the value. What is the value coming? Which is in the form of what string type I am taking. What is the value I am taking? For example, Python, you take it. Python. Reverse means what I will get it first? N. N I will get it. Next what I will get it? O. First time I get N, I will concatenate with a empty string. Next O, I will concatenate with a N. Next I will get it H. I will concatenate with a NO. I will get next T. I will concatenate with NOH. Next I will get it Y. I will concatenate with NOHTY. I will get P. I will concatenate with NOHTY. How to do that? Simple. Yesterday only I said reversing. Let's start for I. For I. How to use it? I am not using any extended slicing. No, you may say, sir, you say like this. What is that? For CH in where? What is that? Value. Value. Colon minus 1 you say, sir. And the print of what, sir? Comma. End is equal to something like this you say, sir. You try to run, sir. It is going to become what? Enter any value. Python, I will say. I got my result as what? NOH. This is called extra intelligence center. Ati telivu enter. This is called extra intelligence. This is not correct. I said no question of using extended slicing. We should not use it. Of course, that is already I used here. Already used or not? Now here, how I am using it. Look at. Try to trace it from the reversed side. How do I do that? For I in range of, come on, -1 comma, minus len of what? Value, plus, plus, plus or minus, -1, -1, comma what? -1, -1. Try to print I first. Adi chuskondi first. Try to run this. What is happening here? Enter Python here. What the values are printed? This is the data. Last class only I said PYTHON -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Understood? I will write next one more value I will run Hyderabad. ABAD. So I got the data -1 to -9. Got my data. Next I want to go for what? Getting the value. What I will do? I will take one empty string. I'll take one empty string. What I will do here, you know, students, S is equal to S plus, value of what? I. I'm concatenating. After concatenation, L spot, I'll print here. What is this now? Given value, comma value here. What is the next term? What is the next term? Reversed value is equal to reversed value, comma what I will say. Reversed value, I will write it. There I am writing, comma what? Yes, I am writing. Try to run this now. I'm getting Python here, Python here. So getting Python. Say next, I say here HYDE or ABAD. So getting like this. Are you able to follow? Next, you see Python is an OOP language. I'm getting. Are you following me? Good. I'll enter next one is called what? 1221. 1221 also numerical value also I got it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll get like that. Understood? This is called one of the best logic. Best logic. No more extension, no more indexing, nothing is there. No more extended slicing, nothing is available. This is called one of the logic. Can I tell you third logic? Third logic I'll tell you. Third logic will work only for what? Integers. Integer data only. For numerical number, this will work for what? Both numerics as well as strings. This is for what? Both int data and what next? str data. str data. This also previously also what data? Int data plus numerical data. Next I'm going to take one more. And if you follow me, So here I will go to 3.py. 3.py. So here 3.py. I'm going to take up, let us carry on this entire thing. Here I will take it. This is only int data. Only int data only. Without using any slicing or nothing. 3.py. I'm going to take it int of. So here you try to follow. Careful. Now I'm going to start here. What is my number here? 4578. 4578. First, what is this 8th place? 8th place. Tell some mathematics kodigana. 4, 5, 4, 5. So here I am going to take it. Tell me now. I'm going to start with 4, 5, 7, 8. What is the 8th place? Huh? Ones. Okay. What is the 7th? Tens. Next. Next. Right. Once again. What is this? Ones place. What is this? Tens. What is this? 100 place. What is this now? 1000 place. Okay. If you want to get it ones place to tens place, the digit must be multiplied with what? 10. So it will become what? Unit. First what is coming? 8 I will get it. You know how to get the 8. Next what will come? 7 will come. When 7 will come, 8 is available in which place? Ones place. It should move to which place? What is that? That number should be multiplied with what? 10. So it will become what? 80. What is the digit I got it? 80 plus 7, 87. Clear? Huh? This is available here. This is available here. Next, what is coming? Come on. What is that happen? 8 will go to 100 place. And next is this 7 will go to 10's place. And this 5 will come to this place. Correct or not? So 87 should be multiplied with what? 100. మీకు చెప్పడం అంటే చాలా కష్టం అసలు 87 into 10 how much? 870 plus 5 875. Is it not 875? ముద్దుబాబులు 1 into 10 10 10 into 10 100 100 into 10 1000. Then why are you multiplying 100 with? Crystal clear I am explaining like a small kids. Whatever you like it you will say. So 1 into 10 10 into 10 100 into 10 10 10 10 multiplied. Now I am going to write the logic. Shall I write the logic? Tell me. First what I will get it? What I will get it? 8. Do you know how to get the 8? How do you get it 8? Digit is equal to Come on. Value percent of 10. What is the value of digit? 8. 8. Okay, now it is okay, 8. Next time when it comes, what is the next position you think? When first number came earlier, we added the digits or not? I took it s is equal to 0 or not? S is equal to what I did? S plus 8 or not? Today what I am doing? What I am doing? When 8 is coming, I should multiply one value. What is the value I am taking? Into this value I will take it. S into 10 I will say. This part, if you say, why 10 is required here? 1 into 10, 10. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10 is, so that sum is multiplied with what? 10. What I am writing here? S is equal to S into 10 plus what? 8. What is the initial value of S? 0 into 10, 0 plus 8. What is the value of S? 8. Next, what is the value coming? 7. Digit is called what? 7. What is the value of S? 8 into 10, 80 plus 7. How much? 87. Where is 87? Yes, what is the next value coming? 5. What is the value of S? 87 into 10, 870 plus what is the digit? 5. What is the value? 875. Next digit? 4. What is the S value? Into 10, 8, 8, 8, 7, 5, 0 plus what? 4. How much? What is the next number? 0. 0 greater than 0. False. Stops. Okay. Yes. This is called intelligence center then. Intelligent student. This everybody can write it. This everybody can write it. This also little intelligent student will write. Most intelligent will write like this. This part. What is my number? I am writing. Here beautiful code I will write it. As usual. If value less than what? Equal to what? 0. Less than or equal to 0. Print of what? Is. Which input? Invalid input. Dot format of what? Dot format of what? Value. Now I am going to write it. Else. Else. I am writing else. What should I do? I'll take out. Here I will write it. S is equal to what? 0. 0. S is equal to 0. Or reversion number is equal to 0. RV. Reversion number is equal to 0. Beginning. Come on. What is this? While. What is this now? Value greater than what? 0. Simple. DIG is equal to what? Value percentage what? 10. What is the value of DIG? 8. 8. Come on. RV is equal to RV into 10 plus what? DIG. What is the value of RVN? RVN is what? 0. 0 into 10. First time 0 plus what? 8. RVN is what? 8. And once a digit 8 is coming, I need to take 8 457 or not? What is that now? Value is equal to value slash slash 10. What is the value of value? Muddabavulu. 4578 of 10 of 10. What is this now? 457. 4570. Remainder is 8. I got it. And this is the value I got it or not? What is the value here? Yes. Go back. Go back. Here I am going to take it. Again 457 greater than 0. 457% is 10. 457 of 10. 45. 450. What is the value? 7. 7. What is the RVN? 8 earlier. 8 into 10. The earlier 8 is moving to the tens place. Plus what? Your digit. 7. 8 is 7 now. RVN is 87. Value slash 10. What is the value next? 45. Go back. 45 greater than 0. True. Percentage 10. 5. RVN 87. 87 into 10. 870. Plus what? 5. 875. in RVN. Value slash 10, 4. 4 greater than 0. 4 percentage 10, 4. RVN 875 plus what into 10? 8750 plus what? 4. It is called 8754. Value slash 10, 0. 0 greater than 0. False. That's all. I will write it. Else, I'll say print of what? This is called what? Reversed number. Reversed number. So, reversed number. Reversed number is equal to comma what? RVN. RVN. So see that answer 4578. We are getting 8754. Now I am going to get it. So 235612. You are getting like this. You enter 8558. You say this is a number. It's like a palindrome. Okay. If you want, you can write a beautiful code. What is the code? You can write it. If, what is that now? RVN is equal to what? Original number. Original number. Value. Value exceeds to what? 0. That's why I will preserve the value into what? ON is equal to what? Value. I already written that logic earlier. Preserving the old value in this place because the value is exceeding to 0 or not. I will write it what here? ON. ON I will write it. Print of what? Come on. Is what? Palindrome. Is palindrome. Dot format of what? RVN or ON. Anything you can write it. Else I will write it. Else I can write it. What is this now? What is this now? Is not palindrome. Is not palindrome. I can write what ON I can write it. Here also if you want to write ON also no issue. Let us run this code. Coming to the point of it, 8558 is called what? Palindrome. You say 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, you write it. It is called what? Is not palindrome. Are you getting? Right? So, some of the people will apply extra intelligence. I already said. So, I said is the Rutik is saying this is called extra intelligence. This is one of the if the interviewer will see, they will feel that they don't know any coding. They feel that they don't know any coding. This is called extra intelligence, we can call. Like what is ordinary? It is not an extraordinary. What is extraordinary? It is not an ordinary. This is a way to answer it. If you write like that, it is always problem. It is always problem. We are just, I already set this example for you in the class. If you go for it, using something and printing from backside, everything I already shown you. Here, somewhere else I shown you or not? Getting the data, printing in ending like that I said. That is not the way. And Rutik, you should improve your logic, not by going for ending and printing that value, not like that. At the end of it, I want to print the reverse number. How do you print it? Problem. That's why we should not go for, this is not a logic at all. This is called what? What do you call it in Telugu? Adi Telivi antaru దీన్ని. This is called extra intelligence, smartness. So that is not correct. So you should go for it. That's what I'm saying. That is what I'm going to say. This is what is called extra intelligence. This is what is called extra intelligence. So here, extra intelligence, I'll write it. This is named as what? Extra. So this is called extra intelligence. If you try to run it, I will enter the number. I will enter the number. Try to cancel this. Now you try to run it. You try to run it. Now see that. Huh? Okay. So no output is coming. No output is coming. Is it coming any output? Yes. So coming to the point back. So this is called a wrong logic. You need to say S is equal to S by 10. He is writing something. It is becoming problem. Getting problem or not? Problem, students. It is not running. I am running. It is saying and not getting anything. It's my time waste, their time waste. Why unnecessarily? Why unnecessarily? So, coming to the point back. So, now he is asking, enter the input, he is asking. Okay, I will enter the input. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. He is getting 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, this is what I am saying extra intelligence. Now I want to check whether it is a palindrome or not. How do you check it? Rutik, I am asking. I am asking. Don't support by yourself. Don't support by yourself. This is called one of the worst code. Now I want to check whether the number is palindrome or not. How do you do that? How do you do that? Now I am asking a question. That is another logic. For everything, another logic. This is another logic. This is what is called not a correct. For everything, if you go for another logic like that, that is a problem always. So if that candidate want, they can move. But if you go to industry, that is called one of the logic which is not at all recommended. Okay, now? So wrong things are attracting towards quickly, but people will say like that. And when they ask anybody, how do you get the reverse of a number? For example, here I want to print a reverse of a number. This is my code. Here I want to print after 20 lines, I want to print a reverse of a number. That time what you will do? Here you are getting immediately and you are printing. What is the meaning of reverse? Units digit should go to tens digit, tens should go to 100, 100 should go to what? 1000. 1000 should go to 10,000. That is called reversing. Printing and printing. That is called reverse. So I want to print this logic. Here it is just printed. I want to go for using that reverse number in the 20th line. How do you do then, Rutik? So that's why, my dear student, these are all called what? Problems here. So let us move to the further. Did you understand this logic, student? So go to the further. Are you clear about it? Right on. Next, write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept a numerical integer value, which will accept a numerical integer value which will accept numerical integer value and find its factors and find its factors. Find its factors. Find its factors. Look at that now. What is that? Program for finding. Program for finding. Come on, what is this? Factors. What is this now? Given number. Given number, I am taking it as what? 8. Given number 8. Now I want to print expected output. Expected output. So expected output I am going to take up. What is an expected output here? 2 is a factor and 4 is a factor. Come on. 8 is also factor you are taking. But every number is a factor to itself. But according to the pure mathematics, I don't know whether you know mathematics properly or not. 7 is a factor to itself. Factor means what? Fans. Factor means what? Fans. Every person is a fan to himself. But there is one actor is there, actor. So that actor, there are some fans will be there. If they do some fashion, these people also will do the fashion. If they do different cutting, they will also do different cutting. And if you learn Python, they don't learn Python. And you are fans to that actor. You will call it as an actor. Correct? An actors only now. So coming to the point, expected output is this one. How to print this? Next, I will take it. Another one I will take it. One more you take it. 24 you take it. 24. 24. What are the numbers now? 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 1 is also factor. You know that 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 8 is also factor, 6 is also factor. Come on. Don't know tables, huh? Next, 8 is a factor, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 is a factor. 13, 14, 15, 16 up to 23, no factors. Last you will print what? 24. If you feel that it is a factor. These are called factors of a given number. Okay, na? How to print it? See students, this is my given number students. How many numbers actually I need to start checking? 1 to 24. 1 to 24. That means any number is given, you need to start checking the factors from 1 to 24. In middle, some factors will be there. Actually, factors will be there up to half of the number only. Any number, if we take it, factors will be there up to half of the number only. So exactly it is available in where? Up to 12 only. 13, 14, 15, 16, 23. It is our waste of time. Correct or not? So you need to start checking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then you need to start checking. So I have to start checking from which number? 1. Next I will increment to 2. Next 3. Like that I am going on taking. What is my number here? 24. 24 percentage 1. Factor means what? Any number divisible by this number, then it is called what? Factor. 24 divisible by 2. Remainder 0. True. 24 divisible by 4. True. 24 divisible by 6. True. 24 divisible by 8. True. Like that it is going to be true only. It is going to become what? All the elements are going to dividing this number. Remainder is 0. 9, 10, 13, 14. Are they dividing? No, they are not factors. Shall I write the code up? So I am using inside the while loop. I am using if condition also today. Let us carefully try to follow. I am going to use it. Let's go to next one. What is this now? Factors. Factors. Example1.py. Example1.py. Simple. So I'm going to write it. Program for obtaining obtaining the factors of a given number. Okay. What is this now? NUM is equal to int of input of enter what? A number. Enter a number for finding its factors. For finding its factors. What is that now? If NUM less than or equal to what? 0. What should I say? Is what? Invalid input. Invalid input. Invalid input. Dot format of what? NUM. NUM. I will take up here what? Else. Else. I will enter the number called minus 24, which is called invalid input or not? Else. Now I am taking else. Now I am going to take up. I will enter 24. 24 less than or equal to 0. False. Coming. I will enter 8 here. 8. 8 less than or equal to 0. False. Come to else part. In the else part, what should I do? Take 8. 8 means what? 1 to what? 8. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. These are the numbers or not? These are the numbers. These are the numbers now. So factors will be there up to half of the numbers only. So up to here only I can check it. This is if you check it, it is your time waste. Correct or not? Unnecessarily processing cycles are wasted. So this is my range of values. Start from where? I is equal to 1. Is my 8 percentage 2 percentage I? What is the value of I? 1. 1. Is the percentage 1 is going to be called 0 or not 0? 0. 1 8 is 8. Remainder is 0. So what is the factor? 1 is a factor. Next, 8 percentage incrementing the I value. 8 percentage 2 is equal to 0. Again it is 0 only. 2 4 the 8 remainder. Print what? 2 is a factor. Next, 8 percentage 3 is equal to 0. False. 8 is not a factor. Next, 8 percentage 4, 0. 4 is a factor. 5 6 is not a factor. It won't. Are you following? So I'm going to write it. How do you write it? For, come on, for I in range of 1 comma 1 comma n slash slash 2 n slash slash 2 plus 1 I will write it. Why plus 1 I will write it? If I take it 8, if I take it 8, 8 8 slash 2, it is going to become 4. If it is becoming 1 comma 4, it will take up to 3 only. That's why I will add plus 1. It will become what? Plus 1. It will become 5. It will take 1 to 5 minus 1, 4. If I take it 24, 24 slash 2, it will become 12. If it is becoming 1 to 12, it will take 1 to 11. That's why I'm writing plus 1. It will become 13. So this will be written like this. Are you following? What is this now? NUM plus 1. Clear or not clear? Yes. Try to print the data first. Any values say చూసుకోండి సరే. Try to print. I say 8. 8. How many? 4. You say 24. 24. It is going to be up to 12. You say 25. 25. 25 is also going to be 12. 25. 12.5 is not a factor to 25. And 13 is not a factor to itself. Okay. Got it. Here. I'll write one beautiful if statement. If NUM percentage of double equal to 0, NUM percentage of I double equal to 0, what should I do? Print of what? I. That I will become the factor or not? Yes. If it is not a factor, if it is not a factor, it is going to be called what? Not printing. Take the example of what? 8. 8. Start. What is my numbers? 1, 2. Understand this point carefully. 3. And next what? 4. Sunny Swami, listen. Listen. Don't excite. Listen. I will come to that point also. Don't get it. Excitement. So, I will explain everything. Listen. Start from where? I. I. I is called what? 1 to this place. But I wrote it what? NUM slash by 2 plus 1 I wrote. So it is going to be taken up to what? 5. 1 to 5 means what? 1 to 5 minus 1, 4 only it will take. Cutoff is called what? 4. What is the number? 8. 8 percentage what? I. 1. 8% 1 is equal to 0. True. What is the value printed? 1. Go to where? For loop. What is the value of I? 2. I value 2. 8% 2 is equal to 0. True. Print what? 2. Next value called what? 3. 8% 3 is equal to 0. False means it is going to for loop only, which is not printing I value. What is the next value of I? 4. 8% 4 is equal to 0. True. Print what? 4. 4. 9. Your 9. So, controlling. Out of control going. So, next is called what? I. Next I. For loop is false. Come out of that. And all factors are completed. That's all. Execute. 8. 8. 1, 2, 4. Suppose you are interested to print what also? 8 also. No problem. You print what? Like this. If you want to print that, you can say NUM you write it. NUM if you write it. 8 will not be printed here also. This value only will print. If you want to print that value here, you say NUM plus 1. NUM plus 1. This is one thing. You say 8. What is printing? It is printed. But unnecessarily from 4, 5, 6, 7, is it not waste of time? To avoid that type of problem, it is always required to you num slash 2, num slash 2, plus 1 you say, num/2 plus 1 you say. When you come out of that, print of what? Last you print your original number. It will print all the values. You say 8, it is going to print 1 to 8. What I am saving it? 5, 6, 7 value I am minimizing. Last and final, say 24. 24 means what? Up to 12 printed, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All you are saving it. See the data. See this data. What is an answer? All the factors are printed. Printed or not? Yes. Now, Sunny Swami is asking something. I will post that data here. What is his doubt? How 3 is printing, sir? For 8 and 25. Did I say 3 is a factor? How 3 is printing? Am I saying 3 is printing? 3 is a factor to 8. 3 is a factor to 25. Okay. Now it is clear. Okay. Now it is cleared. Now it is cleared. Okay. Good. So logics are extraordinary. Logic means what? Intelligent student. Theory means what? Certified student. Most of the students who are available, other than NITs, IITs, triple IITs, they like bytifying for exam purpose. But when you see the real trend, and all of them knows now, only logics will save your career. Without logics, nothing will happen. It's a waste. Time is waste. So that's why I'm going to enter into this now. Coming to the point of it, I'm Mahesh Chaudhary. So by this we can number is prime or not. So C is English. So English you see. So here I'm writing. So by this we can number is prime or not. So what is that? I'm not understanding. He's thinking that these are prime numbers. So it's very danger. So Mahesh, I will explain ma. Already one student was asked already. I said I will explain in the further classes. Please don't get your old knowledge. Very danger. This is a very danger understanding. This is not the correct way to understand. There is no relation with the prime numbers. Who gave that knowledge to you? I don't know. It's a completely blunder. Go to the next. Did you understand this logic now? Right. Getting? Fine. Now, one more. Right down. Mahesh Chaudhary, I think you are getting me what I am saying. There is no relation here. Prime numbers, factors and prime numbers, there is a lot of difference. It is a difference between sky and earth. And if you think both of them are like that, very danger candidates. That's what sometimes I'll feel very inconvenient to tell certain examples because your old knowledge mixing to my correct example, always a reflection will be there. Always reflection. Correct subject, wrong subject, always reflection. But student will must realize it. Realize it. Right now. So, huh? If there are no factors, then we can say prime numbers other than 1 and 2 itself. So, what can I say now? What can I say? What I can say now? So, no comments. Because certain things, no comments. I don't have any answer because I am not that kind of thing. Right down. Write down the answer. Suppose 7 I said. 7 I am saying. What is this now? 1 and 7. What is 7? What is 7? Is a prime number. Factors there are not there? There. What are the factors? He is saying what now? You see his answer now. You see his answer now. What is his answer now? See his answer. But if there are no factors, we can say prime numbers other than 1 and 2 itself. What is the actual answer? What they are thinking? What is an actual answer? What 1 and 2 factors means prime number is thinking. Prime numbers other than 1 and 2. 2 is a prime number. You don't know. 2 is a prime number. Other than 1 and 2 means what? We're saying. So just going out of order. I'm also going out of order. better not to go in detail because I will explain prime numbers in the class. Right. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will decide which will decide which will decide whether the given number is which will decide whether the given number is decide whether the given number is decide whether the given number is perfect or not, perfect or not, perfect or not. Are you able to follow? Perfect or not? What do you mean by perfect number? Look at students, all of you. I am giving the definition. Perfect number. Perfect number definition is sum of the sum of the factors of a given number. Sum of the factors of a given number is equal to what? Is equal to what number? Original number. Original number. Example. Look at 6. N is equal to what? 6. N is equal to 6. What are the factors? Already you did a program. What are the factors? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor. What is the sum of the factors? Sum of factors is equal to what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 6. 6. Is 6 is equal to given number or not? Yes, sir. Hence, here, given number, what is the given number? 6 is equal to what? Sum of factors of what? Sum of factors of what? 6. Then no. Then 6 is what? Perfect. 6 is perfect. Correct? Next, given number is, I will carry this example. I'll carry this example. Here I am saying given number is something like 8, you take it. What are the factors? 1 to 4. What are the factors? Sum 7. 7. Given number 8 is equal to what? Factors of sum of factors of what? 8. Then 8 is not 8 is not perfect. What is the sum? 7. 7 is equal to 8. Perfect or not perfect? Not perfect. Next, one more example you take it. Say some example called 28. 28. What are the factors? Come on, 1 comma, 2 comma, 4 comma, 7 comma, Mudabavalu 14. 14. What are the factors? What are the factors? Come on. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, 4 plus, come on, 7 plus 14. What is the total sum? 28. 28. Is 28 is equal to 28 or not? So that is known as what? Like that you can search in the internet. What are the various perfect numbers? Again, I don't remember that. Remember the theme. Write the logic. I need not to buttify what are the perfect numbers. Tell me example. No interviewer will ask you. They will ask you write the code for what? Perfect number. Shall I write it? Simple. So I'm going to take it. Now I'm going to take it. Go to the logic. Here. Perfect number logic, I'm going to take it. Perfect number. Perfect number example.py. So here I'm taking. Here I'm taking. There. Program for deciding. Program for deciding whether the given number whether the given number is whether the given number is what is this? Perfect or not? Perfect or not? Simple. So if you want, I will carry this. For your clarity purpose in the code, I'll keep a comment here written like this. Start my logic. If you understood, I will carry this part. This, can I carry my previous logic? This I will carry. This I will carry. This logic I will carry. Done. This is what is printing. Factors are printed. Try to run once. Here I am entering 6. What are the things are printing? 1, 2, 3 printed. See students, I'm not taking 6 here. Am I taking 6? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is called what? 6. If I take 6 also as a factor, it will become 12. And in mathematics, no perfect number concept is available. Next, take one more thing. Take one more thing. 28, you take it. What are the factors? Come on. 12 plus 7. Come on. 14 plus 7. 21 plus 4. 25 plus 2. 27 plus 2. That is nothing but what? Equal. If we add 28 also, it will become 56. That's why, who said to you mathematics? I don't know. Every number is a factor to itself. Don't print 28 is also factor. Generally, our math sir will say 28 is also factor. But if you take factor, perfect number concept, losing or not. That's why what we learn, don't think that is a correct. They have to have some practical proof is required. Without practical proof, if we learn, waste of time, your money wasted. And this you have to decide in which case, 6th class onwards, you have to habituate this habit. Okay, your turn is over already. Your future kids, when you are sending to school, you tell them, don't believe anything if teacher says something blackboard white chalk piece. You ask them, show me practically. You create that mindset in your brain. Definitely teacher will become against to you. When I was in engineering, every teacher is against to me only. Because I will ask compulsory coding. They used to see stars. In practicals, they will try to ask complicated questions, but I'll do the coding. Answer coming. Any question, external examiner, they are not. Everything I will answer. Program executing. They will give what code? Record. Some 25 programs will be there. That programs only they will give. And for me, they won't give separate program, na? Will they give? If they give separate program, they think that I am different. They won't give because everybody will come to know partiality. They won't give. But that record programs are little programs, simple programs. Simple programs, 10 minutes we can complete. We can answer like anything. Like that teachers used to control, but we cannot control because subject important. So sometimes teachers stuck up in the middle only and they used to say very seriously, nothing problem. Out of 20 internal marks, they used to write 18, but externals 80 out of 80. I used to show to teacher also. Teacher, see my marks which I got. But you gave internal marks 18 only. But out of 80, I secured 80 out of 80. But you gave this. What teacher should say? Mind blank to them. Mind blank. What to say? Nothing. 20 marks, 20 out of 20. We can't show. We can secure easy paper. Easy paper. Internal means what? What teacher says, same thing will come only. External, there you have to secure. When we secured their internal marks easier, don't fear to teacher. You respect when teacher says good subject. Correct or not? Like that you have to. So make your kids in the such a way that they would ask everything. Show the practical proof. Like that you have to prepare. Okay. So I'll go to this. Now is asking. Hemnath Sai is asking, sir, please explain for loop in this program. In this program, in all the programs, for loop remains same. Now, for loop. Printing the factors or not? Execute. Now I'm going to say it's 24. 24. What are the factors? 24. So, coming to the point. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 6, 26 plus 4, 30 plus 3, 33 plus 2, 35 plus 1, 36 is equal to 24. 24 is not a perfect. So who said earlier 24 is a perfect? Somebody said 24 is a perfect earlier. Ah, Tarun Sam. Tarun Sam is saying 24 is a perfect. Like that he has decided. He has decided. Tarun Sam is created like that. 24. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. What about 12 also is there or not? Huh? 24 is a perfect. Huh? See that? Hmm? YSE, SR, FR. He's getting confused. So, huh? He's going to make his own Python. Okay. Let it be my student. Okay, Tarun. Okay, I understand. So this is not correct, mom. So go to the place. Because I will highlight your mistake. Why? Because you should become strong in giving correct answer. When you go to interview, you will give correct answers only. If I don't give you your answer on the screen, you will say wrong, 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 wrong. It will go wrong only. So I should be a teacher for you from elementary school onwards. At least from sixth class onwards, I should be the teacher for you. But unfortunately, what to do? Bad luck. Let it be, students. At least now you learn it. Okay. Now factors we got it. Now I need to do the sum of the factors or not? I do what? S is equal to what? 0. Here I will do what? S is equal to S plus I. I will add the factors. I will add the factors. Take the number called what? 6. Hemnath Sai and other student. Another student who is asking. Sophia, all of you, remember how this for loop is. What is my number I am entering? 6. 6 I am entering. N is equal to. What is the for loop? First you understand this range. Range of 1 comma this number 6 divided by what? 2, which is called 3. 3 plus what is the next? 1. What is the answer? 4. So for I in range of what? 1 comma 4. What is the value of I? Come on. 1. Num 6 percentage I. 6 percentage 1 is equal to 0. True. S value 0 plus 1. 1. Print of what? 1. Go to where? For loop. What is the value of I? 2. 2. 6 percentage 2 is equal to 0. True. S value 1 plus 2. 3. Print of what? 2. 2. Next going to where? This one. What is the value of I? 3. 6 percentage 3 is equal to 0. True. S value already. 3. 3 plus 3. 6. Print of what? 3. Go to for loop. For loop is becoming false because 1 to 4 minus 1 is called 3 only. Coming out of that, I will compare. What is that? If S is equal to what? Num. S is equal to num. What is the value of S? 6. What is the value of num? 6. 6 is equal to 6. True. What is that? Come on. Here I will write it. In this place, I will write else. For loop related else. If S double equal to NUM. Beautiful. What is this now? Is what? Is what? Perfect. Is perfect number. Not format of what? NUM. NUM. Otherwise what? Else. Otherwise else. So I say here what? What is this now? Here I will write it. This is not perfect number. Not perfect number. Done. Beautiful. Try to run. Execute. 6. 6 is perfect. You say 8. You say 8. 8 is not perfect number. 8 is not perfect number. Say 28. 28. Perfect number. You say anything. You can done. So, Sophia and Tarun Sai. I think you are Hemanath Sai. I think you are understanding the for loop. You enter 36. You enter 36. And you got it what? Not perfect number. Are you getting? You enter any number, you got it. So I think you understood The concept of what? What is perfect? So compared to yesterday, day before yesterday, logics are increasing. By remembering these logics, your brain also will start working. So you'll become intelligent. So this is called subject. This is written with else. If you want, you can do like this. This is the one thing. If you want, you can do with what? Ternary operator also you can do. Ternary. I wrote here 14th line, 15th line, 16th line, 17th line. I wrote these many. I can write it what? Ternary operator also I can do it. Ternary operator. Here if you want, I can do. Can I change this? If we want, I can do another copy and paste because I want to give you multiple solutions here. This is called perfect example 1.p1. There you try to copy. Here I will copy this code. Here I am trying to write it. Here I am writing. Don't write this entire thing. Here you write it. RES is equal to, what is this now? Perfect. What is when the perfect? If NUM is equal to yes, else you say what? Not perfect. Not perfect. Say here. Print of what now? Is like this. Is format of NUM comma RES. NUM comma RES. Say here 12. 12 is not perfect. Say 8. Say 8. 8 is not perfect. Say some 28. Say some 28. 28 is called what now? Perfect. Are you able to follow? Like this. Say some 24. Say some 24. 24 is not perfect. Like this. So first you have to improve your coding, coding style so that you can maintain any fashion. Like good hairstyle, you can comb any direction. If no hair on the head, ring road, bypass road only, no comb is required. That's why. Physical hairstyle, I am not talking. Subject is a hairstyle for you. Any fashion you can maintain. Subject career will increase. Right? A normal student cannot. A faculty will not tell these many examples. This is level 2 I am talking. Level 3, level 4. Wonderful. That is called subject. So, did you understand this level 2? Next. When I come back, see our index you see students, online students. See, coming to the point back. 6 o'clock and this flow control statements you see here, index, you observe it. Here I am talking about conditionals completed, looping, programming examples done. I am here. I am here. Harish, you are the model for our hairstyle, sir. Okay. So here, like that. So this one. And the next I will introduce what? This part I will introduce. Tomorrow I will introduce this. Tomorrow again Saturday. Every day Saturday coming important topic. Every Saturday is coming important. Last Saturday also an important topic. I'm actually incidentally that are coming. So Ranjit Kumar, sir, give break. Break. This is not a college. Today picnic, tomorrow XYZ holiday. No, no break. This is we need to train flow should be continued. So this I will talk tomorrow. What is I will explain tomorrow? Break, only break I will talk. Only break. Only break. Tomorrow if you go to underground, break. Monday you don't come to the class. You apply break and be in the underground only. Next, tomorrow only break I will explain. And there I will tell. And today, some students asked about prime number. That concept is going to come tomorrow. So don't get any missing tomorrow. Very, very important class. Young students, I'll stop my class and tomorrow. So tomorrow class is very, very important. Don't miss it. So, Vanilla, we are lucky to be in your class, sir. From the very first day, as you said, I started observing my faculty. They are not at all like you, sir. Okay, mom. Okay, mom, no problem. Because all faculties are not caviar and caviar is not all faculty. Because all fingers are not same now. So Only your fingers are not same. The faculty should have commitment, first of all. Should have the desire to teach good to the students. Prasanna, sir, you said you are interested in teaching now. In future, I am going to run the school, will be a teacher. Oh, so she is asking me to be a teacher in a school. So, because I cannot teach to school students, because school students are very danger, very danger. And I don't have that much patience. Actually, I have more patience, but I don't want. I don't want to. So, now Aditya Kumar, sir, actually, hmm, we are getting theory since first standard. That's why our minds was not working before your class. Okay. Aditya Kumar, now it is working out. Hmm? Sanjeev, sir, tomorrow give me that class link, sir. I'm going to my native place. Sanjeev Kumar, don't go to anywhere. Be in the class. So no nothing is programmed to go to your native place. Don't go to native place. Be in the class. Aditya Kumar, now it is working. Prasanna, present I am working as a teacher. Sir, you are my inspiration. Okay. Okay, mom. All the best. All the best. Okay. Now, so more than enough. 27 years I am working in teaching field. Once again, what is this? Monica, sir, once explain for loop concept of factors, which is a perfect or not perfect. Seema, I already explained to you. Again and again, I may not explain. Already explained. 2 to 3 times explained. First program, again Hemanath Sai and Sophia asked. Again I explained. Again factors time I explained 3 times. That is impossible. Okay, ma. Shreya, thank you. I'll stop my class and I'll move to the further. Right. So, Kodeshwara. Yes. Thank you, Kodeshwara. Now I will move to the further. Carry on. All the best. Students who are in the online. Tulasi.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
So I have one doubt, small doubt of the example of factor example. Here the in the for loop the range in the range function that condition why it is taking, sir.
This one, huh?
No, sir. The upper one number divided by 2 in the range function, the condition exactly. Yes, sir.
I said already, ma, why you are not listening the class? Suppose if there is a 18, factors will be there up to half of the number only, no? Any number,
Okay.
if you take it, factors will be there up to half of the number. 10 is not a
Okay.
factor, 11 is not a factor, 12 is not a factor, 13. This is called what? Waste of time. Even if I can write it, no problem. Simply you write it what? NUM you write it, no problem. Answer will come. See that. Answer will come. Say some 6. Answer is coming. But we are
Yes, sir.
thinking about what? It's a accuracy part of it. To make it more performance wise, I am taking like that. Okay,
Okay,
now?
sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Right. Right. Koteshwar Rao.
Uh, హలో
Koteshwar Rao.
హలో
Kote- Tell
సార్
me.
వినిపిస్తుంది సార్
వినిపిస్తుంది చెప్పు.
అవరిష్టం ఉండటం వల్ల క్లాస్ సైన్స్ అంటే ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ తర్వాత ఇది మొబైల్ స్విచ్ ఆఫ్ అయింది సార్. చిన్న వర్షం పడి ఈ ఇంటికాడ నుంచి
కరెక్ట్ మా ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు అది ట్రేస్ అవుట్
పాజిబుల్
చేసుకో
అయితే కొంచెం
ట్రేస్ అవుట్ చేయి ట్రేస్ అవుట్ చేసుకోది నేను చెప్పాను కదా లాజిక్ ఫర్ లోపు ట్రేస్ అవుట్ చేయి. ట్రేస్ అవుట్ చేసి వర్కౌట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ టుమారో ఐ విల్ టాక్ టు యూ.
అంటే లైక్ ఏమన్నా నిన్నటిది రికార్డ్ క్లాస్ ఉంటే పర్లేదు సార్, నేను అడ్జస్ట్ అవుతాను.
అడ్మిన్
నిన్నటి
అడగాలి.
ఒక్కరోజు
రికార్డెడ్ నా దగ్గర ఉండవమ్మా. రికార్డెడ్ ఐఎమ్ నాట్ హ్యావింగ్. యు ఎనీ రికార్డింగ్ యూ కాంటాక్ట్ టు అడ్మిన్.
అదే అదే మరి అడగటం కరెక్ట్ కాదేమో అని నాకు అనుకుంటున్నాను. బట్ మిస్టేక్
నా-
నాదే సార్. బట్ పౌరుషం
అదే
ఉండటం వల్ల
ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర లింక్
ఉంటే
ఉండదు. లింక్ ఉండదు నా దగ్గర. ఆ వీడియో లింక్స్ ఉండవు. అడ్మిన్స్ దగ్గర ఉంటాయి. వాళ్ళంతా అక్కడ ఉంటుంది బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్.
ఒకసారి
ఓకేనా?
చెప్పగలుగుతారా సార్? నేను కాంటాక్ట్, మీరు ఒకసారి చెప్పగలుగుతారా సార్? నేను కాంటాక్ట్ అవుతాను.
కాదు నేను
హలో
చెప్పను. ఐ కెనాట్
హలో
స్టే బికాస్ టోటల్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ కేర్ అబౌట్ ద లింక్స్. నో ఫ్యాకల్టీ విల్ ఇంటర్ఫియర్ ఇన్ ద లింక్స్. సో దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఏ సెపరేట్
ఓకే
డిపార్ట్మెంట్. ఆన్లైన్ టీమ్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్. You contact them, tell your problem. If they give, you take it. Okay?
ఓకే సార్.
Right. Next, Mahesh.
Hi, sir. Good evening. Sir, can you open that factors example, sir, that you shown in the...
Already some background sound is coming, ma. Please switch off that background sound.
Yeah. One second. Is that fine now, sir?
Hmm.
Is this fine now? Is it okay now, sir?
Now tell me.
Okay. Sir, can you show me the example of that factor one which you shown in the class that...
This one,
Yeah. I asked the doubt about prime number, right? So that... Sir, so that by from this code, we can say that the number is prime number or not by using a count variable.
By using?
A count variable. By using another count variable or any extra
Count
variable.
Count variable.
Yeah.
Count variable enti?
లేదు సార్, అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనము కౌంట్ వేరియబుల్ యూస్ చేసి అది ఆ నెంబర్ అనేది ఫ్యాక్టర్ అది అదే సార్, ఆ నెంబర్ యూస్ చేసి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఈ కోడ్ యూస్ చేసి మనం అది చెప్పొచ్చు కదా సార్, అది ప్రైమ్ నెంబరా కాదంటే. ఒకవేళ మనకి ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ లేకపోతే ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అని చెప్పి, లేదా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటే ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ కాదని చెప్పి చెప్పొచ్చు కదా కౌంట్ వేరియబుల్ యూస్ చేసి.
అంటే నువ్వు ఏమనుకుంటున్నావు ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ గురించి?
అంటే ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అంటే అది 1 అండ్ బై ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్ కాకపోతే ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అని ఉంటుంది కదా సార్.
నేను రేపు చెప్తా కదమ్మా.
ఓకే.
ఎనీ నంబర్ ఈస్ ప్రైమ్ విచ్ ఈస్ డివిజిబుల్ బై 1 and itself. దట్ ఈస్ అ ప్రైమ్ నంబర్. దీనికి దానికి సంబంధం లేదు. అది సపరేట్ కోడ్ చెప్తాను రేపు. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
రైట్. So students, take care and don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very important. All the best. Good night.